The following message transmitted the request of the cyberbullying danger warning. This is not a test. The cyberbullies are in danger because the YouTube channel include MATHBOILER, CURIOUSCIAN, CURIOUSCIAN, ALEXTOPIASAMPLE, ESICOWW, JUSTENA, and others. Turn into an information. And before in fact and everyone was getting a consciousness. Turning to leak info. And it's something happens because some of these about the person turning to the cyberbullying like creatures. Anytime. Turning to the evacuation. The sentence because the cyberbullying was immediate danger. And make sure everyone's to be in evacuation. You'll be arrested for second miles for whole weeks.